what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Love Looks Better by Alicia Keys. It's a very simple song. We're using 3 chords and we're playing it in standard chords. So just put your cap on fret number 1 and let's get right into it. So the first chord is C, and then we go to G, love looks better on, and then E minor, then back to C. Okay? So C, G, E minor, C. Now if you're not familiar with these chords, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords so you can learn them and then come back to this video for the progressions. Okay? But that's basically it. For the strumming pattern, I'm using down, 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 and that's it for the whole song. So that's your verse, your chorus, everything, same chords. Do like the video and share it if it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you want me to interpret on the channel.